before I let you all off the hook for today, I got one last question. This can be about laundry. This can be about anything, any way you guys want to take this. But I am curious. I like to give everybody one takeaway every time they listen. What's one thing that we can do today that's going to make us better tomorrow?
Yeah, I mean, I would say it's not easy, right? There are things that come up, and there's Instagram and there's reality, and it's not easy. You know, you're being an entrepreneur and starting your own business. You have no idea and can't even make up some of the things that come your way each day. And so it's easy, or could be easy, to just get bogged down in that, and to like wake up today and think about what happened yesterday and then relive yesterday again today. But I would say the one thing is like day one, we start over each day, be the best that you can be each day, give it your all. And, you know, ultimately, I think that makes for a better tomorrow.
I would say just listen, whether that's with your customer or even a potential acquisition target, trying to understand what people are really looking for, or even if it's your employees. Everybody has their own story, and how you deliver the best experience for that person is different from the next, right? And like I said, that could be how you're treating your employees, what each individual employee needs, or what your customer needs. Not providing providing a standardized solution, but customized it for the audience you're talking to. And as we talk about acquisitions, I think that's even more important. Really understanding what the seller needs is the key to make those transactions successful. And so that's what I would say. We all have great ideas. Amy and I have tons of ideas going into it, but into everything we do. But it's important to remember to stop and listen and make sure that we're solving the right problem.